Okay, it's time for the show. Cruising with the Case Handler, a show on personal injury law where we speak about accidents that the top attorney in New York and New Jersey have done. And ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome Adam Handler. He is actually cruising in his mobile into the law offices right now. Adam Handler, welcome, man. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, man. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet, and I guess I'm here to move your dancing feet, brother.
Uh,
It is Tuesday, November, what is it? November 9th? 9th. Yes, 9th. You know why I know it's the 9th? Because I got something special coming up tomorrow. November 10th, I will be returning to Supreme Kings County Court for the first time since COVID. I've been to Supreme Queens over on Sutphin Boulevard a few times, and now I'm going on a very big construction accident case. We can talk about it a little bit this morning to try to get things done. I don't think it's going to settle tomorrow, but it's certainly going to get back on track to settlement, and hopefully that will be wrapped up before the end of the year. And it just goes to show you, Squeeze, all those years, 17, 18, 19, when we were doing tens of millions of dollars of settlements a year, literally. The top year we had was 2019, $25 million. It's because the threat of trial was imminent, that if the insurance companies didn't pay everything that they were responsible for paying, that they knew that within a couple of weeks that I would be taking them to trial, that a jury would be rendering a verdict and most likely give more than probably we were asking for. And that's the business decision that the insurance companies would make to settle. But now, with COVID still prevalent in this area, with the courts still not fully functioning, the trials are few and far between. We had one a few weeks ago. Matthew Goodstein, my associate, got $270,000 on a $30,000 offer. So it just goes to show you the jury does give more. And I'm excited. I'm excited to go in for that client, an immigrant from the island of Jamaica, hardworking individual who, did everything he needed to do. And then one day his job decided to cut corners. He fell off a ladder, broke his arm, had surgery, and he has not been able to work since. So ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. Those are the types of cases I work on: serious accidents, serious injuries, and of course, serious results. We appreciate you coming on this show with us, tuning in to Squeeze and I Squeeze. I was actually speaking to a client last night. She's like, "Yeah, you and Squeeze kill me every morning. You kill me every morning. I love listening to you," and that's great. That if we can entertain and educate by entertaining, then we've done our job. But the purpose of this show, ladies and gentlemen, if nothing else, is just for you to understand who I am, what I do, and how I do it. And Squeeze, I'll let you explain who I am, what I do, and how I do it.
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak, my brother. I
Hey,
know
no
you're the
problem,
attorney.
man.
I know you're the attorney and you speak a lot. You're very good at it, and you have been broadcasting with me for about 17 years in one way or another. I mean, take the wheel. Literally, you have the wheel.
I have the wheel of this car. That's enough for me right now. I got to pay attention. Got to look straight. Got to be focused. Otherwise, the lawyer becomes the client.
Absolutely. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the voice of Adam Handler. He is truly the case handler. He's gotten that name because of the fact that he handled the cases for the people the right way as a family. And I must say this, man. He just mentioned construction accidents. And when Zenmar and I, we're on in the mornings between 6 and 10. And between 6 and 7, we have a lot of people who are heading to the construction sites, construction domain. And, we did a call-in this morning. And quite a bit of the people who called in were actually construction workers. So I want to appeal to each and every one of you out there to actually store the number, especially if you're in the construction industry. And once again, that number for the top attorney, Adam Handler, who will settle your case, ladies and gentlemen, for the maximum possible. That's how it is. All right. He's going to fight tooth and nail to get as much as possible out of these insurance companies. So note this number down: 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. I want everyone tuning in to 93.5 WVIP FM. Everyone that's been listening all morning. Okay. Once again, Adam Handler is not just a client; he's a true friend of mine. Okay. And every week, every other week, every month, I'm calling him saying, Adam, you need to call this person. You need to call this person. And the people, I gave them the number, they're calling him. Why? They got into accidents, and he's the man. 844-774-3529. I also want, Adam, people to follow you on Instagram, the case handler. All right. The same thing on Facebook and LinkedIn. And also visit his website and see the millions of dollars in settlement, ladies and gentlemen, that Adam and his team have acquired. Once again, that's thecasehandler.com. So make no mistake, he is the man. I mean, once again, and we mention it every day because I have never ever seen an industry like this where, you know, there are a ton of personal injury attorneys out there. And people have been wondering, how do I choose a personal injury attorney? Every time I turn around, I see a billboard, I see an ad on TV. I'm hearing 15 of them on the top of the hour. How the hell do you choose a personal injury attorney if you get hurt in an accident? How? A gentleman called me up the other day. True story, Adam. A gentleman called me up the other day. And it's just amazing how people are making mistakes or people are being, I don't want to use the word duress. Yeah, I can use the word duress. People are under duress. A gentleman called me up the other day, last week, and he said, Squeeze, I realized I made a mistake, man. I want to talk to your boy, Adam. And I gave him your number, Adam. He's like, I picked the wrong attorney on the station. I'm like, how the hell did you pick the wrong attorney? I don't know, man. I called up the number. I thought that was Adam, and it wasn't Adam. And I went with them thinking that Adam was with them. So there's a lot of confusion going on, Adam. And I'm very happy that we're actually on this station each and every single day, clarifying things. There's only one case handler, ladies and gentlemen, only one, not two, not three, not four. There's only one case handler. You've got one shot, one choice, one chance, and there's only one case handler. So don't make the mistake. Don't make the mistake and actually be using another attorney, right? And the dude wanted to know if he could switch to you, Adam. I said, listen, man, here's Adam's number. You call him. But I had to get on the radio this morning and make it very clear, all right? Google a case handler. Store the phone number, 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPID-LAW. I'll let you comment, Adam.
Yeah, thanks, man. Listen, there is a lot of noise out there. It's a very competitive business. You even have people, shady people coming up to you at the scene of the accident, telling you to use this doctor, telling you to use this law firm. You got some doctors putting you, somebody called me recently with the case. They wanted me to a second opinion. I'm like, well, how did you find this lawyer? Well, my doctor gave me this lawyer. It just doesn't work like that, ladies and gentlemen. It's called soliciting. It's unethical. It's actually illegal. The lawyer can lose his license. The doctor can lose their license. Ladies and gentlemen, unless you have my number saved, unless you know to check out the case handler on Google, to give my office a call, I will never know that you need my help. Do not expect, ladies and gentlemen, please, I want to be very clear about this. Do not expect to hear from me if you're in an accident. I will not know you need my help. The only way I'm going to know you need my help is if you call my office. You direct message me on Facebook. You direct message me on Instagram. That is the only way you're going to be able to hire the case handler to be your attorney, because we just don't come up to you at the scene of the accident. We don't come up to you in the emergency room. The tow truck operators don't have my business cards. It's just not how we conduct our business here. And if you do choose another lawyer, certainly I wish you, and I'm sure Squeeze does too, the best of luck, because you're going to need it. There's not another attorney that's going to fight for you like family. There's not another attorney that is willing to take a jury verdict all the way to the end. Right? A lot of lawyers out there, they take your case, can't settle it. Now all of a sudden they put you over to another law firm who handles their trials. You don't know who this person is, who the law firm is. You don't know what capable or incapable hands you're in. If you want Adam Handler to be your attorney, then you need to have my number saved. If you want me to take a second look at your case, you want a second opinion, you're not happy with the way things are going, I'm happy to speak to you. No strings attached, of course. But just please be reminded, I am very, very, very selective over the cases that I take over from my other attorneys because I like doing things the right way from the beginning. And I can't guarantee that your attorney's been doing the right thing from the beginning. And no offense to you, I'd rather not professionally get involved in a situation like that where things have been so messed up from the beginning, it's going to be impossible for me to untangle the mess. So, ladies and gentlemen, you got to get it right the first time. And that's why we say one chance, one choice, one case handler.
And that's what
844 774 3529. 844 774 3529. Squeeze one more time. I don't mean to cut you off.
yeah.
844 774 3529.
Make that call, ladies and gentlemen, because I just threw it up on the screen right here because we're live on Facebook and YouTube also, ladies and gentlemen. It says, if the last name of the attorney is not Handler, you have the wrong personal injury attorney because you've only got one choice, one chance, and there's only one case handler, making it very clear. So people, dial the number now. We're getting off the radio, but dial the number now and store it. Let it ring about 20 seconds, okay? All right, we'll ring on one of Adam's phone. This way it's locked in. The number for the top personal injury attorney on the station happens to be 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Do me a solid. Do me a favor. Text that number to every single person you know, because God forbid they get into an accident. They need that one case handler because they won't got one choice, one chance. Make it the one case handler. I am David Squeezaniki on behalf of Cruising with the Case Handler, the top show right here when it comes to personal injury on this radio station. We want to say thank you so much and have yourself an amazing day. Fill in the blanks, Adam. All right. But make sure you call Adam Handler, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, 844-774-3529. I'm David Squeezaniki, CEO of the Link Up Media Group of Companies. I appreciate you. Adam appreciates you. Adam loves you. Adam loves everybody out there. Make the link, make the connection, and thanks again for being with us. We'll catch up with you soon. Drivers us to that guarantee similar outcome, but make it that one chance, that one choice, and that one case handler. I'm out of here, ladies and gentlemen. Adam is too. Well, he's driving into the office. Let's do this.